Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today I'm going to share a really delicious recipe that I made just recently, and it's called an Asian pork belly recipe. I was inspired by this recipe because when I went out to a restaurant a couple months ago, they had this sticky pork belly, Asian pork belly that I tried. It was so good. It was slightly sweet. It was just delicious. And I can't even explain it, but it was just fantastic. The butter, it melted in your mouth like butter, and I fell in love with it. So I thought, I'm gonna make this. So we actually came up with a recipe just last week, and it just came out really good. So let's get started, and I'll share with you how to make it. It is super easy, guys, and this is one of the recipes that I'll be having in my ebook, which is coming soon to you guys. And a lot of you guys have been requesting me to put together a cookbook. I thought it would be easier if I just made an ebook so that you can get it in your hands faster. So let's get this baby rolling. So what you'll need is some soy sauce. You'll need some liquid stevia to give it that little bit of sweetness, and some erythritol as well. I use granulated erythritol. You'll need some sesame oil, a little bit of ginger. You will need some garlic, and I think that's about it. So let's get this all stirred up. First, you'll take your garlic and you'll crush your garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, you can chop it really fine, but it's really good to have a garlic press, guys, because it actually gets all that garlic oils crushed together, and it permeates your dish. So you want to that's when you want a lot of big garlic to punch in your dish. You just go ahead and crush it. So get that in there. And I used about 3 cloves that I chopped up in half. So go like that. Get it nice and crushed. It already smells good. Just with the garlic being crushed, because I do love me some garlic. So let's see, get it all in there. Yeah. Crush it. Get your workout on. That's by crushing it. So you're trying to get all that crushed up. So once you crush the 3 cloves, it kind of yields about a good 1 tablespoon of garlic crushed, okay? Okay, and I like to make sure I get it all in there still. So one more time. So guys, do you like Asian food? You know, have you ever had pork belly before? So good, guys, especially on the keto diet. It's really simple, but it's a really good way to get your fats in, and just super delicious. So what I'm going to do is take about 1 tablespoon of this. It's called natural rice wine vinegar, and it kind of has a little bit of sweetness to it, so it's not really bitter like the regular vinegar. And this is used in a lot of Asian dishes. It's about 1 tablespoon of that. That in there. You want to get 2 tablespoons of erythritol. I like the Anthony's brand. You can get it on Amazon. Super inexpensive for the amount that you get. So about 2 tablespoons of that. And right now, sorry if I didn't say it, we're making our marinade, okay, for the pork. So this is the first step. And you're going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon of this is ginger. So I like this ginger. You could do crushed ginger, but what I like to get is this one. And we get this at Trader Joe's. It's already a ginger paste. It just has olive oil in it, a little bit of salt and ginger. Super easy. You don't have to worry about it spoiling, because you know sometimes ginger in the fridge gets kind of hard if you don't use it fast enough. So you do that. So I think we're going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon. But if you like more ginger flavor, guys, go for it. You can add a little more. Sometimes I even add a little more of the garlic, because I like that little bit of garlic pungent taste. Like that. Alright. And we're going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of stevia. Liquid stevia is the best, because it's not granulated and it kind of blends really smoothly. So I like to use that. Get that stirred in there. And we're going to use 1/3 cup of soy sauce. This is really a tasty recipe, guys. I like about it, it's so simple, but it may take 2 steps, which you'll have to put the marinade on the pork belly slices. And you have to leave it overnight for the best results. It just tastes better that way, so it can really soak in all that marinade, but it's so worth the wait. And then see, it's super easy because then you can prep it in advance and then cook it the next day. And then we're gonna need a little bit of sesame oil. So I just put a few drops, and you can do about a 1/4 teaspoon. Mix that in here really good. That's what gives it that, you know, that Asian flavor, that backdrop. Okay, get that all stirred up. I think we got everything in there. And you're gonna need you some scallions for later to top it with. So that's the marinade. Super simple, super easy, guys. And what you're gonna do is take the marinade and you're gonna pour it in a bag with your pork belly. So I've already in advance prepped the pork belly last night because, like I said, you have to do it a night in advance to get those flavors permeated in the pork. We get these at Costco. They come in like strips of pork belly that you can slice up. So you want to slice each thick strip, or at least if you have a whole pork belly, get yourself some nice square, slice it into like square pieces or rectangular pieces, I guess, about 6 inches. I'll show you. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. Put it in a bag, pour your marinade on. Okay, about this size. Let me grab a fork. So I cut mine about this size, guys. Let me show you real fast. About like that. So that's what the pork belly looks like, marinated, okay? So I marinated it overnight, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it on a baking rack. So just put yourself a cooking sheet underneath, kind of a cooking sheet with a lip about that high, because you want it to catch all the drippings when it bakes and all the oil. And then get yourself a baking rack like this that can go in the oven, an oven-proof one, and you're gonna just top it right on top. And you're gonna take all of your pork belly and you're just gonna take it in, place it on the rack. Super simple. The fat from the pork belly will make sure that it won't stick, so you don't have to worry about, you know, spraying it with any cooking spray. So it'll be perfect. Okay. Line them all up. Okay guys, so we have them all evenly distributed onto the baking rack. Make sure you get it in the baking rack so that when the fat starts dripping, it'll definitely get caught inside the baking sheet so that you don't grease up your oven. Also, you know, a handy trick too you can do, you can line the bottom of your oven with some foil so that some drippings do happen to occur. You won't have a messy oven and you don't have to worry about the cleanup. Trust me, I made that mistake the first time, so yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna take these and we're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. Ideally, this will be the next day, of course, and then you'll take them out, let them sit for like 5 minutes, and then place them on the rack. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. Let them bake for about 30 minutes. Check on them. You can turn them over and rotate them like every 30 minutes to 40 minutes so that they get crisp on all sides and it gets nice and sticky, because that's what will happen. Okay, guys? So we'll be right back with the finished product. Okay, so our food is out of the oven. Look how beautiful this pork belly looks. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious, guys. I'm gonna try a piece for you, but definitely make this. It will be in our new upcoming ebook. Don't have a title yet because I'm working out those recipes diligently every day for you guys to give you some really tasty recipes. So we're gonna try this pork belly. I'm so excited. I don't even know what piece to take. I'll just take this one right here. So generally we serve it up, and I like to put a little bit of scallions at the end, so that it will just looking pretty. You know how I am. We eat with our eyes, like I always say, guys, and it's just delicious. Look at that. Really good. So let me try it. I'm so excited, my mouth is watering. Seriously. Okay, let's see. So good. It's buttery. It's a little bit sweet because of the stevia and erythritol in there. Oh guys, it's so delicious. You gotta make this one, seriously. As soon as I get that ebook out to you. So delicious, guys. Definitely give this one a try. And if you like this video, definitely like it, click that thumb, and also Hit the bell if you want more notifications, but before you do that, subscribe so that you will be able to get and see all the videos that I make of some awesome food. So, I'm Rosemarie from Faithful Keto Kitchen, and you guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.